Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's Brenda with Busy Bees Custom Creations, and today we are going to put some guidelines on this circle that we had painted before. So the first thing you need to do is find the center. So an easy way to do that is just take a piece of paper and put your circle on top of it, and then just trace around it. Okay, and then you're going to cut out that circle. You want to kind of try to be fairly accurate with it. What I also have done is on my Cricut machine, I have created templates that I can just find the center right away. I created like a 6-inch circle and then put a dot in the very center and then cut that out. And it's really easy. I do it for all my stuff, but if you don't have a Cricut, this is an easy way to do it. So you have your circle, you're going to fold it in half. Okay, and then fold it in half again. And then just cut a tiny little hole out. Okay, just like that. Place it over your circle. And then take your, I use the Arteza Expert pencils. They work great. And then just mark that center. Okay, so there, I know you can't really see it, but there's your center. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw some guidelines. There's several different ways you can do this. There's stencils out there. 8-point stencil. They come in different sizes, 12-point, 16-point. Here's another 8-point. So just whatever one you want to use. You can also use this and line it up right here with your center and say this is 360 degrees. So if I want 8 guidelines, you're going to take 360 divided by 8 equals 45. So then every 45 degrees you would mark your piece like that. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 45. 10, 20, 30, 45. 10, 20, 30, 45. 10, 20, 30, 45. Okay, so there's your 8 guidelines. Okay, so now you can do this a couple different ways also. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see this. Okay, so what you would do is you could just take a ruler and draw your lines. Okay, but what I like to use, and I love this tool, I use this 90% of the time. This is from Wow Art, and it's called a Wow ruler. They come in different sizes. That one, and for a longer one. And all you do is you take a pin, put it right in the center there where the center mark is. Then right where the center is here, push it down. And then where you see those little notches that I put the guidelines, I'm just going to draw and then move this, draw. And this is my go-to tool for doing guidelines. So you do have to mark where you want those lines. Okay. So you're going to go all the way around doing that. Okay, and then we're going to do the circles. Now you can use a compass if you want. But again, I like this. And with this one, you can get real close. So it has these little ridges. So you're just going to draw around it. And you decide how many of these or how little of these you want. It's totally up to you. Okay, and then once you have those done, then you go to the ones out here. And then I skip every other one. Okay. And then there you have your guidelines. So it's very simple doing it this way. Like I said, you can do a ruler, you can do a compass, however you want to do it. But that's how I like to do mine, and they're perfect every time. So I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.